Hi everyone and welcome to How to Housewife. Today we're going to look at how to crack an egg with just one hand. So grab yourself an egg and let's give it a go. So you need to have your thumb and your pointer finger at the top and just curl the rest of the fingers underneath. And you're going to want to give it a really good crack right there. Okay, so we don't want to do a little knock knock, hey I'm calling. No, we want a big crack, like the Girl Scouts knocking down a door to make a sale. So we'll do that now. And then you just want to use your thumb, maneuver the eggshell open and let the egg fall out while you still hold firmly the shell in your hand. So there we go. Give it a bit of practice whenever you need to crack an egg. Maybe try in a separate bowl first just to be safe. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the little bell so you'll be notified of any new videos. Thank you and have a great day.